Remote workers are paying premium prices for homes with this feature. And it's not what you think. It's not a fancy kitchen or a swimming pool. It's a properly converted garden office that's adding 5 to 15% to property values across the UK. If you want to see exactly how to create this money-making transformation, smash that like button and subscribe, because I'm about to show you the complete blueprint. That neglected shed at the bottom of your garden, it's sitting on a gold mine. Remote workers are now one of the largest segment of property buyers, and they're willing to pay serious premiums for homes with dedicated workspace. But here's the thing, most garden office conversions are done wrong. Let me show you the 3 critical elements that separate a basic shed conversion from a premium workspace that commands attention. First, thermal efficiency. We're talking proper insulation, double glazing, and independent heating systems. Remote workers need year-round comfort, not a glorified garden shed they can only use in summer. This isn't just about comfort, it's about creating a space that feels like a proper office extension. Second, integrated data infrastructure. Dedicated Ethernet cabling, multiple power points, and proper lighting systems. When buyers see professional-grade connectivity, they see serious workspace potential. This is what separates your conversion from the competition. Third, acoustic treatment. Professional sound panels and proper door seals create that crucial separation between home and work life. This psychological barrier is worth thousands in perceived value. Here's what most people miss. This isn't just about creating workspace. You're creating a sellable asset that appeals to one of the fastest growing segment of property buyers. Estate agents are reporting that properties with quality garden offices are selling 15 to 20% faster than comparable homes without them. The numbers are compelling. A garden office adds unique career potential and flexibility for you and potential buyers, making your home stand out in a crowded marketplace. That's a massive unique selling feature for a market that is rapidly growing in desire for this feature that beats many other home improvements. But here's the real kicker. You don't even need to sell to benefit. You can benefit from it yourself to open new career opportunities, offering you flexibility that could mean you don't need to consider moving home right now. That's a game changer for your future. The remote work revolution isn't slowing down. Companies are making permanent remote policies, and workers are prioritizing homes with dedicated workspace over traditional features like dining rooms or conservatories. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more property investment strategies. And remember, while everyone else is adding kitchen extensions, you'll be creating the workspace solution that tomorrow's buyers actually want. Your garden shed isn't just storage space, it's your next high-yield investment opportunity.